Construction of a floodgate kilometer 1+700 drainage canal line 3. Nakhon Thammarat City Flood Relief Project due to the royal initiative of Nakhon Thammarat Province. Nakhon Thammarat Province, located by the sea on the Gulf of Thailand. There is a natural river which originated from the Nakhon Thammarat mountain range, which flows through the city in many lines. When it rains heavily in the Nakhon Thammarat mountain range, water masses in the canals will flow through the city in large quantities, causing the water to drain into the sea in time, resulting in flooding in the city every year. On December 24, 1988, His Majesty King Rama IX gave royal initiatives concerning flood relief in the southern province, as in one part that heavy rainfalls, the mass of water from Tadi Canal, combined with the downpour flood from South Thong Canal and other watershed areas. The congested water flows could cause a severe flood in Nakhon Thammarat Province, as it happened in November 1988. Systematic measures must be taken to dredge the watersheds that pass through the city, to deepen and enlarge those watersheds and to dredge them faster. Additionally, considerations for digging additional new drainage canal are of equal importance. This will help to drain the water flowing through the city, passing into the Gulf of Thailand in a timely manner. Following to the royal initiatives, the Irrigation Department conducted a feasibility study which was completed in 2002 and set a solution for the project by digging 3 drainage canals. In June 2017, the government has passed this policy to the National Water Resources Department to integrate project planning and budget allocation for the relevant departments to proceed and solve these flood problems. Let relevant agencies take action to prevent and solve flood problems, causing systematic spatial solutions to divert water by passing the city of Nakhon Thammarat to be able to accelerate the drainage of water into the sea as much as possible. The Royal Irrigation Department therefore considers improving drainage efficiency by digging 3 new drainage canals, a total length of 18.64 kilometers. The Drainage Canal Line 1 was dug from the Tadi Canal, Shaimantri Sub-District to connect with Wanghua Canal. The length is about 5.5 kilometers. The Drainage Canal Line 2 was dug from the Yuad Canal to connect Drainage Canal Line 1 to bypass the community, approximately 0.79 kilometers long. The Drainage Canal Line 3 was dug from the Tauria Huatrat Canal through Tambon Tauria Bangchak Sub-District directly into the sea. The length is about 12.35 kilometers. Along with digging and expanding the Wanghua Canal and the Huatrat Canal to increase the efficiency of drainage. The construction of 7 floodgates, including the floodgate most important position acting to twist open water in Drainage Canal Line 3 to the sea. Floodgates drainage canals lined 3 km 1+700 are very important in helping management and effectively manage the water of the Line 3 drainage canal. Project location. Construction of floodgate kilometer 1+700 drainage canal line 3 located at Mu 4, Banta Rua Bangchak Sub-District, Muang District, Nakhon Thammarat Province, which is located in the coastal area before the confluence of the Gulf of Thailand. Characteristics of the floodgate construction project: Drainage Canal Line 3 kilometer 1+700 is a reinforced concrete building 7.30 meters high. Ready to install. Direct drainage work, 2-way water receiving type, size 8 by 7 meters, 6 sets. There are 2 sets of straight vented doors, size 8 by 7 meters, 2 sets, including installation of a double girder crane with trestle size 15 metric tons. Construction of a car bridge. The floodgate at kilometer 1+700 has the following construction steps. Starting from the excavation work to open the construction pond down to the level of 3 meters in the shape of a horseshoe. level the foundation at a level of 2 meters so that the crane hammering pile pre-stressed concrete in the foundation of 3 zones. Surround the retaining wall with steel sheet pile to prevent the construction site from collapsing. Piling work, Zone 1, main structure, drives reinforced concrete piles, size 0.525 by 0.525 meters, length 25 meters. Piling work, Zone 2, inlet structure, drives reinforced concrete piles, size 0.4 by 0.4 meters, length 26 meters. Piling work, Zone 3, outlet structure, drives reinforced concrete piles, size 0.4 by 0.4 meters, length 26 meters. When the piles in all 3 zones are completed, therefore hammering the steel sheet pile, size 400 by 150 by 13.1 millimeters, length 6 meters, was hammered under the key of the main structure floor, both in front and at the end of the main structure floor. When the piling in all 3 zones is completed, set up the main structure, inlet structure, and outlet structure. Subsequently, reinforcement work and concrete work, the drainage gate structure is set up as a pier, pouring concrete on 2 sides and 7 inside. Construction of a car bridge with a length of 72 meters. Reinforced concrete walls and floors, 9 meters high, 9 places. Retaining wall work, inlet and outlet on 2 sides, height 7.3 meters. The next step is to install the drainage door, prepare the blockout of the drainage ditch, and install a channel to drain the water with the soil, both above water and downstream, height 7.3 meters. Install winch, gear motor, and electrical system. Roof structure roofing with Marshall sheet attached to 5 mm thick preformed sheet with foil on one side, and install a double girder crane with a trestle size of 15 metric tons. Landscape improvement. When the construction of the floodgate and drainage canal line 3 km 1+700 is completed, can control the bloom for water elevation and drainage for water control to the desired level. Effective drainage up to 750 cubic meters per second. If in the case of high seawater is higher than the water level in the drainage canals, the drain door is closed, serves to prevent seawater flows into the drainage canal. Including playing an important role in irrigation to store water in the canals to drain water for use in the dry season as well. If the flood mitigation project under his royal initiatives, it will alleviate flooding in Nakhon Thammarat municipal area, in addition to the agricultural area of 17,400 rai. It will also enable to reserve the water to be used in dry season at approximately 5.5 million cubic meters. For various water utilization activities to the people in the Drainage Canal Line 3 to have a career in agriculture, income, and good quality of life in the future.